You're watching your Fast Life Motorcycle channel. We're about to go to New York City for the New York International Motorcycle Show. Gas up that jet. Gas up that jet. Yeah, let's roll. Yeah. Guess where we are? We are in the Big Apple, New York City. I think it's the Empire State Building over there. I apologize if it's not. Anyway, we're here at the Jacob Javits Center for guess what? The 2015 New York International Motorcycle Show. Oh yeah. Sound like a pro. And right now they're, oh yeah, we're here. This is my good exhaust. Again, GSX and I did